Welcome back to the Banana Republic. It is I, Palesa Seitelo, and thank you for joining. If you're new here, please stay and subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, we're back. We're back. You know, we're back. So guys, I'm very excited. As you can tell, I'm very excited to be back to vlogging 5 days later. I don't know why, I'm just excited, I guess. Trying to keep my mood up for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, basically. So today is a Friday. It's 12 o'clock right now. I just want to quickly eat. I made myself some coffee. Load shedding literally just hit as I was about to sit down. So I'm just gonna have some coffee, some bread, make myself some bread, and I'm just waiting to be fetched. We're going to Imvelo. Safari, what. I'll tell you guys all about it later, because I actually did not ask any questions about today. Amkhanam was like, "Are you free?" And I was like, "Sure." And she was like, "We are on Friday." And I was like, "Sure." So yeah, ask no questions, hear no lies. I'm joking, she would never lie to me, but I'm up for anything, guys. It's my birthday. Anything goes. You wanna rock? I'm here. You wanna sleep? I'm here. You wanna eat? I'm here. So yeah, if you're wondering why I'm going to a game lodge or whatever with lashes and whatnot, guys, Amkhanan yesterday, she was like last night, she was like, "Your hair sucks. So what are you gonna do about it?" And I said, "It's time to sleep. So what do you mean?" So I just woke up, tried to put it together. As you can see, it's like this because of gel. I have natural hair. So I tried, and then I was like, you know what? Maybe my face needs to look put together so that the hair does not look so bad. And I think I did quite a good job. I think, because it's really time to undo my hair. Oh, before I forget, but as you can see by the title of the video, this is also a get to know me. So during the course of today, I'm not sure if it's going to be a day vlog or a 2-day in my life vlog. I'm gonna include those questions within my days, because honestly, I didn't want to do a sit down video. I'm not interested in doing that currently. I'm not. So my get to know me is going to be in this vlog. Okay. So yeah, as I was saying, back to what I was saying, I figured let me just put on lashes, light lashes, and do a little bit of a foundation and look put together, so that my hair does not look as terrible. So yeah, I just have to put on some lip gloss. So yeah, guys, let me just eat, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm on the way. When we are on the way. I also have a pink cup, guys. My nails are also pink. My nail. Oh my god. I'm gonna go do them though in my birthday prep vlog, which will come after this one. I'm doing a birthday prep vlog, getting my hair done, my nails done, and oh my god, I'm so excited. I think that's why I'm excited, because the next 2 weeks, vlogs. Like I said in my previous vlog, about me trying to be consistent. Baby, you are getting it. Okay? I'm talking too much. So bad.
I'll grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Yeah, guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast.
It's so quiet here. It is so nice and quiet here. And the sun is sunny. For sure.
This ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Gloss that, love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new bitty, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this, all snap. Now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next door, at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's Rashad, in the rarest and the raw fashion. I'm still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space.
Yeah, it's so boring, but I'm here for this.
You know this ain't
All day, every
time for the
day.
two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space thinking about you.
Oh, OTD, baby. My birthday has been launched. If you're not doing my birthday like Amakalang did me for my birthday, you're not doing it right. Ari, you need new friends. You do, like, honestly. Because I am catching a breather. We're at a
safari lodge type of thing.
Oh, and the first part of my get to know me is gonna happen like now in a few minutes. So yeah, don't worry, it's still here. Don't worry.
Started eating about us.
Dog. Okay, Dinaran. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna do my first five or six questions of the get to know me, and instead of me saying them, I'm just gonna ask Amhanan to ask them for me.
What's your name?
What is my name? Oh my god, my name is Palesa. My name is Manana for the sake of the video.
What is your surname?
Seitelo. It's an SEI and you pronounce it as Seitelo.
Okay. How old are you?
Stuck in them 20 something. Not, I'm 21. I'm turning 22 in a week and a half. 2 weeks.
Do you drink alcohol?
Do I drink? No. Coca-Cola, baby. I'm a Coca-Cola. I'm lying, guys. I do. Yo, I do. I unfortunately, very unfortunate.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Where do I see myself in 5 years? That question was very purposeful. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I see myself making money. Period. Just to explain the get to know me part, I did not want to do a sit down video like I said in my intro because they're lame.
Boring.
Exactly, boring. But yeah, I just thought this would be a fun way of doing it. And the first 5 were honestly just my name. What. Right. Why does this?
Do you guys know what time it is? You know what time it is?
I don't think she knows either, but okay. Okay. What did I do? Guys, I have such a short friend. He's so short, baby. So sorry to you. But guys, it's time for 5, 4, 3, 2. Period. I hope my phone doesn't fall. And it looks so nice, dog. Nope. Okay, guys. I'm just going to. Okay, that was very loud, but I'm just going to switch you guys off and try to speak. Whew. It's very funny here. Here comes Oz Ammo. Guys, quad biking is so fun. What? That's right. I know that's right. It is so fun. I've done this before, but the more is the more. It went. I love it. Yeah. Okay. I love it. Purr, baby, purr. So I was trying to put you guys here, but like you keep falling. So I don't know if this is a good idea. It's probably not the greatest of ideas, because like this it's not necessarily working, but I'll just put you guys there. You know, you can't see me, but it will have to work. Great network. Great network. Network.
Yeah.
We green.
Sharp.
Dira ge senda dinepe tsa ka solanka ka go itse wena fast mo go don sharing. Love it here. Nka ba di dirile e wetse ga said. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna kiss Amu's mom for days. This is so much fun. Okay. Love it. I hope you guys can hear me, but love it. Need it. Needed it for my sanity. Need it for the old me. Mama West. That was too good. It was too good. Get the bull purr. It was too good, guys. Do it again and again and again. Again and again and again. No, you know what? Next time. It's next time. Damn. It's too good. Okay, guys. Next up, Q&A. Because this place is too nice. It is too nice. Okay. Too good. It's so dirty. But too good. Alright, guys. My eyes are so tired. We're back home. And we're just chilling, drinking. So I'm going to do a few more questions and call it a night. I'm so tired. So,
what pisses you off the most? Wait, have you not started yet? Sorry.
This child, guys. This child. We need to hit her in the face with this tripod.
Drinking. What are your goals and aspirations in life?
What was the reason for that question? Is my question. Goals and aspirations to increase sales in my business, guys. I have a business, by the way. If you don't know now, you know. It is Knits by Palesa on Instagram, and yeah, that's where my business profile is at. And yeah, that is a goal in the next few years, to increase sales, because I even actually stopped working for a while. But yeah, what else? To get another degree, surely. Yeah. Yep, that's about it.
All right.
Next,
what really pisses you off?
people who speak in the morning. Why do you speak in the morning? Defrost, maybe. Like, defrost. I need you to defrost in the morning. So yeah, definitely.
Would you enter Miss SA?
Who asked that question? Is a devil who asked that question. Would I? I don't know anymore. 2 years ago, I would have said yes. Right now, I don't know.
Are you in a relationship. Wajola.
Wait. No. I get jolly, guys. Kisa, I'm single. Kisa, lebella, lebella.
What has been your biggest lesson in life?
Do not trust men. Even Amkhalang agrees with me, guys. We're gonna leave it there.
Okay. What are your top 5 favorite things?
Like, to do anything.
I have no idea.
Okay, top 5 favorite things. Food. I love eating. Clothes. I make clothes, so I love clothes. And buying clothes. One other favorite thing. Vlogs. Oh my god. I'm in love. Okay. I am. What am I left with? No. Okay, and tattoos. Amaran says I must say tattoos, so yeah, I have tattoos, so tattoos for sure. Since a year ago. Tattoos. And that's it, right? 5.
How would your friends describe you?
They Barry guys, Barry Kisil. Guys, I kid you not, they say I have a mean face. Like, I don't know, something is not right with me.
Okay, into it off.
See? Yeah, but I don't know what else, but they have this thing of saying, like I'm
You're rude.
I'm rude, apparently, and I don't think so. I don't think I'm rude, okay? I'm very kind, and it might look like I'm serious, but talk to me nice, and we'll be fine. I think we're gonna stop there for today so that we can drink. Someone asked if I drink. Thank you. Good night. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to end of the vlog and finish off the rest of the questions. I am home right now, if you cannot already tell, and I just took a bath. So yeah, I want this video to go up on Sunday at 12. I always post my videos at 12. So yeah, so the rest of this, just like 3 other questions left. I just didn't want to pack everything in, you know, the part where I was doing them at night. And right now, is not here to finish them off for me, so I'm just gonna do it myself. Alright. So someone asked, who inspires you? Oh my god, who inspires me? I will have to say Bonang Mateba, for sure. If there is one person who I've loved for the longest time and felt like, you know what, I want to be like you one day, it's definitely her, but not career-wise. I don't know how to say it, but she inspires me in the sense of her work ethic and, you know, her success. Like, wow, she's about her business, and I want that for myself. So she definitely inspires me, and I love her and her personality. So yeah, the other question was, where am I from? I am born and bred from the Bloemfontein. Oh my god, I'm from Bloem in the Free State. So yeah, someone on Twitter said you were too young to be in Bloem. If like, yeah, something like that. When you're a certain age, you're too young to be living in Bloem, and I have to agree. It's not like I'm doing anything about it, but I have to agree. There's no reason for anyone who is younger than 30 to be here. But anyway, child. Anyway. Oh, and guys, I'm recording in the kitchen because the lighting in my room sucks. It is so terrible, and I was not in the mood to like switch on my ring light. So, and I have things to do in here anyway, so it only made sense. And then the last question is, who is my favorite YouTuber? ZX Family. Oh my god. ZX is my favorite YouTuber, but I will also have to add Smee. Is it Smee or Snee? Snee Mhlongo and Aaliyah's Face. I recently started watching Aaliyah's Face literally 2 weeks ago when she dropped her vlog when she got her new car, her Bentley, and I just started watching her videos from like January, like her January vlogs until now, and I fell in love. Like she's been on YouTube, so I was like, I cannot watch all of her videos, so I just started watching from January until now, and I'm in love. Okay, but yeah, those are my top 3 favorite YouTubers. Okay, in no particular order, but ZX being number 1. I don't know how you're going to take that, but yes, in no particular order, but ZX being number 1, definitely. And she also recently got herself a car, and I have to stand. Okay, like I've never been so happy for someone who doesn't even know me. Like I love her. Okay, I love her. And yeah, and see who else. I feel like there's someone else who I really like, but yeah, for now I'll just mention them. And yeah, guys, that completes the questions from my Get to Know Me. And I did the Get to Know Me tag on my Instagram, so if you follow me, you probably saw that. If you don't, my Insta handle is Palesa Seitelo. I'll put it down somewhere here, and please do follow me so that if we do another Q&A, you get to ask whatever it is you would like to know about more. And yeah, otherwise you can ask in the comments down below, and I will sure respond to you in my next vlog. And that's about it. Oh, and guys, yesterday we were at Imvelo Safari Lodge. I don't know if it's Imvelo Safari or it's Imvelo Safari Lodge, but I think it is Imvelo Safari. So yeah, that's where we were at. It was our first time there. Amu's mom took us there, and it is a very quiet place. I will have to say it is a very quiet place. So secluded as well, but it was so fun. It was so fun. It is beautiful there as well. Like on our way there, we were like, we're in the middle of nowhere. What is this? But when we got there, it was beautiful. Okay, it was insanely beautiful. Like just in the facility, it is very beautiful. So yeah, we hope to go back there soon to do more than just quad biking. Yeah, and I also don't know how much it was. I'll tell you guys, but I don't know, and so you'd have to just Google that, you know. So yeah, that's what we got out to. The quad biking was 10 out of 10. I've done that before in Cape Town. Yeah, so it was my second time, so I got to like get a hang of it pretty quickly, so it was very exciting. I loved it. Okay, and yeah, so after that we just went home, drank, and that's about that. So that is it from me. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys later.
Hey,